e power x cos x dx. One more integral I'm taking, x e power x sin x. Right? Why I'm taking like this means I can write this I1 plus small I, complex number I, that is, into I2. You can write it like how, students? Tell me.
E power x sin x.
Can you write like this if I add both after taking I1 and I2?
Yes, sir.
My intention, I'm converting this in terms of complex numbers means. Can I write this?
Yes.
Yes.
Why I'm writing like that means this is nothing but e power ix. Yes. So which is nothing but what? X e power x into 1 plus I, know.
Yes, sir.
Students, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now your integral is what? I1 or I2? Your requirement. Your requirement. Tell me, what is it? I1 or I2?
I2.
Your question, your requirement. I2, right? I2 means it's an imaginary part of this, no? Means I2 is imaginary part of I1 plus I into I2, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not, students? Suppose if I need I1, what is I1 here? See, please check this. This is the complex number z. We'll denote complex number z like x plus iy, right? What is x, students?
Real part.
What?
Imaginary.
That only I'm telling. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me then. Imaginary part of this. That means we need here imaginary part of
Integral x e power x into 1 plus I whole power 1 plus I.
all of you clear, right, students?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm planning for integral imaginary part of that. So first let me calculate integration. After that I'll select only integral part, imaginary part. Fine. So it's an UV rule, right? Like by parts, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Sir,
Tell me.
e power x into 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I. X e power x into 1 plus I by 1 plus I into plus
Minus 1 by 1 plus I.
so it is
Correct. Imaginary part of x e power x into 1 plus I
divided by 1 plus I minus e power x into
already 1 plus I, it's there. I'm taking outside, right?
whole square.
Now you can tell about its integration now, students.
Yes, sir. X e power x into 1 plus I by 1 plus I minus 1 by 1 plus I whole square into e power x whole power e power x into 1 plus I.
So how they have given?
This form only, sir.
Okay. Means this integration also we need to do at last. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Clear now, students? Please go through. This is not like a difficult point, only complex number form reducing, but you need to have this idea once. Good.
So do we even do minus in the middle? Like I1 minus I2 and do it.
I1 minus?
No, she told all the 4 options are correct. To get more two also. Do we use I1 minus I2?
Then we'll not get cos x minus I sin x as e power.
No, you get e power minus x, minus ix.
Hmm.
So do we do that also, sir, once?
No, that's whatever the options it is there. Complex number conversion, I'm just saying, according to the
Okay,
options,
sir.
you need to check. Any other questions, students? Any other methods you want me to revise? That also, please tell me. Any other method you want me to revise? We have, so what are all the methods? Now I'll revise briefly all methods and what is your idea about that method also. So please tell me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Darshan, I didn't get.
So could you solve one last question, please?
Yeah, tell me.
Integral 1 by
Hmm.
under root
Integral 1 by under root of
2ax minus x square
2ax minus x square.
dx.
This one's one.
Yes, sir.
What to do over here? Making completion of square only, no? Students, completion of square only, no? What we can write from here?
X whole square minus 2ax plus a square
Plus a
minus
square minus a square.
So you can write this as
x minus x.
X minus a the whole square minus a square.
a square minus x minus a the whole square.
Okay, sir.
Now
Sin inverse 1 by a.
it's in the form of 1 by a square minus x square. Since it's a linear function, so I can assume directly. So answer is sin inverse x minus a by a into 1 by derivative of this is 1 plus c. That's the answer. Okay. Next.
1 by a. Sorry, nothing. Nothing, sir.
Okay. This is a formula. No 1 by a. At tan we have 1 by. Yes, students. Anything else? All of you have our class note, students, with you. What is method 1? Integration.
Integration of sin mx cos nx dx.
Sin power.
Yeah, sin power mx cos
dx.
sin power nx dx.
All of you clear, no, students, about this method? Please open your notes. We did good number of questions, right? Good number of questions also, students. I will take today 5-6 methods and tomorrow 5-6 methods, and I'll close this indefinite integration revision. On Thursday, we'll continue with the present syllabus. Means you can revise from your end and give weekend exam. Then I'll go back to that vector 3D matrices determinant 4 chapters are there to cover here. If by that time tomorrow, if date-wise exact schedule, if it comes, means we'll continue with that schedule. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See why I'm not ready to do those chapters now, means they are easy only, but this is difficult chapter. Total grip if you have over here, no, that anytime we can quickly cover in 1 or 2 weeks, no problem. So what is the idea over here, students?
So it depends on m and n.
Suppose I have given both are odd. What is your idea of solving?
X as please.
Just sin x for cos x is t.
So we take one cos x outside, then convert the cos square x into sine in sine terms and take sine x as p.
Even we can apply Wallis formula at indefinite integral reduction, right?
Yes, sir.
That is one approach. Another approach is both are odd, no?
Yes, sir.
First case, both are odd, students. So anything you can
So we can do cos because it's only square. We go to powers of 4.
Cos to the power of 5. One cos you write separate, another cos you can write cos square x. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And understand this idea and remember, students, all of you. And after that, writing that cos square x
Sin x
sine square.
and
So
sin
it's going to be integral sine to the power of 5x into what is cos square x? Tell me.
1 minus
1 minus sine square x into cos x dx. Now you can open these brackets, no?
sin square x minus cos x dx. Now sin x as t.
If you take sin x as t, you will get the answer, no, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, work out your idea. After 2 minutes, I'll unmute any one student and I'll ask second one. After 2 minutes, whoever I ask, no, those only please respond. What's your idea? What you have done and answer. Second one. Please solve so that like this, no, we will revise 3-4 methods today now. Yes. All of you tried question number 2, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditya NR. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
can you respond, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what's your take first initially? What's your idea about
So I
second
took
question we are talking?
integral sine square x.
We're talking about second question.
Yeah, second one. Sine r square. Like I took it squares and
Okay, no problem. Sine square
sine
x
square
whole
x plus
square
2.
whole square. Okay.
Then cos square x. Then sine x.
Very good. That's it. That is the main point here. Rest finished.
Then,
Okay. Next idea.
then sine square x is 1 minus cos square x.
Very good.
So after that, yeah, I took cos x as t.
Finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Check next question, students. This is first method I thought.
Yes, sir.
Rishikesh,
Yes, sir.
what's your idea about third question.
Sir, we can write sine 4x into cos square x into cos x dx.
After that,
Then we could write cos square as 1 minus sine square dx.
right.
Then we could take cos x equals t and we'll get it.
No. Sin x t. Sin x you need to take t ma. Then we'll get this part as dt.
Yeah, okay. Sir.
So this is method 1, students. I hope all of you clear. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the method 2 we did?
So integral of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x dx.
A cos x plus b sin x.
Dx.
Only this one, dx. No c.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Yesterday also we applied this.
Yesterday
Sums. So what I did, students, here after writing a cos x plus.
Divided by under root of a square plus b square.
Okay. Since we are dividing, we need to multiply also.
a square plus b square into a square plus b square cos x plus b by a square plus b square sin x.
After that, we have converted this in terms of cos of something, right? X plus some alpha, whatever. Okay. Denominator only. Then we can convert it, so it will become secant. Then integral of
Log of
secant.
secant x plus t.
What is the integral
Log
of
of secant x
secant
plus
x?
tan x.
Log
Log secant
mod.
x plus tan x.
Yes, correct, ma. Correct. Is that fine, students? This is the method and approach. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now I'll give 1 or 2 questions. Can you try? For example, see this 1 by root 3 sin x plus cos x. For example, this is one question.
So have to divide by
2.
We have to divide, multiply and divide by 2.
Divide and multiply by 2.
Yes, sir.
Do it. Root 3 sin x plus cos x. We are multiplying and dividing by 2. Why? Tell me, students. This is the idea. A is root 3, b is 1. Root of a square plus b square means root 4. Root 4 is 2. So I'm multiplying and dividing with that. Then this is 2 into cos x into cos 60 degrees. I'm taking this here for students. Then sin x into sin 60 degrees. All the time try to convert in terms of cos only instead of sin. Okay, nothing wrong. If multiple option, if they ask about that also, we can do it. But my suggestion is to better to take with 2 into
Cos x minus pi by 6.
cos x minus pi by 3.
So which is integral.
I'm converting, means I'm writing this part of integral. It's this equivalent term. I'm taking like this now. So 1 by 2 outside, integral 1 upon cos of x minus pi by 3. Is that fine, students?
Yes, sir.
Which is nothing but secant
Pi minus pi by
x minus pi by 3. Now you can apply integration formula directly. Is that fine?
X minus pi by 3 plus tan x minus pi by 3.
Okay. This is first example. Another example, students, I'll can you try with this?
So we have to multiply and divide by
You
5.
can take minus also, no problem. Multiply and divide by 5.
5.
That's what, by seeing the question, no, you should be able to pick up like what to do. And here to avoid confusion, students, I'm continuing with one more method. Number I'm deviating, but this one. Do you remember this, students? A sin x plus b cos x plus c. This model.
Yes.
Or integral 1 upon a sin x plus b, or 1 upon a cos x plus b. Right?
Yes, sir.
This one. What is the idea?
Liberate tan x by 2 is equals to t.
Hmm.
Then you get sin x is equals to 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Cos x is equals to
1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square.
Correct.
And dx is equals to 2 dt by 1 plus t.
1 plus t.
So this is the method, right, friends?
Yes.
If you want, you can follow same approach to above question also. So why together I'm doing means it is your wish. If no constant, no, you can go by that method also. Previous method, like C not there, you can continue the method 3 also, like method 2. If constant is there means you cannot follow method number 2. You need to come back to method 3.
Yes, sir.
This is method number.
So this method 7.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now generally what are the roughly I'm giving question. Can you try this question, students? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, students, have you solved?
The second one done, first answer solved.
Okay. Because we have done this before also. Okay. I have idea. Are anybody expecting me to solve? Tell me, I'll solve. No problem. One you can solve, sir. Another we can try also. No, if you didn't remember the method. Students. Is my voice clear or not?
Yes, sir.
You want me to solve or you're solving?
So we are solving.
Okay.
Sir, I got first one answer as minus 1 by root 2 cot of x by 2 plus x by 8.
Okay. Okay. Correct. What is the equation you got before applying integration after conversion?
Sir, 1 by root 2 integral dx by 1 minus cos x plus pi by 4.
Dx or dt, no?
Sir, I didn't take anything as t, sir.
Then how can we get?
Sir, I took sin minus cos x. I solved that part according to the previous method.
That is wrong, no, ma?
Denominator is different.
It's wrong. Then how we got correct answer?
Sir, I took root 2 is there, no, sir. We'll divide and multiply both by root 2. Then we'll get 1 minus cos x plus pi by 4 in the
What
denominator.
happened? What happened to that one?
So 1 minus cos x, sir, which will be 2 sin square x. X by 2.
No. No. That is completely wrong, ma. But how you got correct answer? Can you
Sir,
tell me what you have done? Can you tell me?
Sir, in the first step, what I did was I took sin x minus cos x. That part I took and I made it like above how we did no. So we multiplied and divided by under root of a square minus b square
Okay, I am writing that only now.
minus 1 by root 2 cos x plus pi by 2. Now 1 by root 2 I took common outside, sir.
Entirely.
So integral dx by 1 minus cos x plus pi by 4.
1 minus
Cos x plus pi by 4. So 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2.
Okay.
From there again From there I took one next
Then
step.
you are not following this method, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
You have to solve by approach. Okay, it's correct only, nothing wrong. But you cannot do same idea over there for second, right? Then we need to build one confidently, one idea and one method. No, don't refer any material. Okay. Yes, students. In terms of T, this method only. Because when you do like one question in one way, another, suppose root 2 is there, that's why you're able to do, ma. Suppose something if I change, you cannot. Instead I put some other number.
Then we can't do.
That's why I am asking you to go by general method, so that you will get quickly calculations. Once if you do 2-3 questions using this method, no, the confidence will be different, and so that the way of solving also will be a bit quick. Yes.
In terms of t, sir, before
Yes,
integration.
before integration, in terms of t, if you tell correctly, no, then I can believe that really you are trying.
Sir, integral 1 by root
Integral?
of
No, integral?
2 into integral 1 by under root 2 plus 1
Root 2 plus 1
into t plus 1 by root 2 plus 1 and then into t.
Okay. Listen here, students. Please don't enter the questions. You can go by the method. Okay. So
Sir,
yes, one second. Just check it if you have whoever have done already. 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square divided by, this is 2t by 1 plus t square for sine. I'm using this, students, and for cos I'm using this now. Minus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus root 2.
Yes.
Now if you observe both numerator denominator 1, students, so that's why I'm writing 2 dt divided by 2t minus 1 minus t square plus root 2 times 1 plus t square. Is that fine after taking LCM, students?
Yes, sir.
After taking LCM only, I can cancel both denominator numerator part of LCM,
Yes,
right?
sir.
yes,
Students.
Yes, sir.
Then this is what now that simplification we have to do. So
Sir.
dt divided by
You will get plus 1 into t square
yes, sir.
root 2
Plus 2.
plus 2t minus 1 minus root 2.
Plus root.
this one, right?
Yes, sir.
T square, if you take common, root 2 plus 1 plus 2 into t plus root 2 minus 1. So this is what the quadratic function we got, correct?
Now you have to do completing the square method.
Completing the square method. Before completing square method, take root 2 plus 1 common, so that easy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Before completing square method, take root 2 plus 1 common, students, then it will be easy.
Sir, directly we can do, no, sir, factorization.
Directly,
Like,
yes.
root 2
directly.
minus 1 into root 2 plus 1, you get 2 minus 1, which is
That's it.
like,
Okay, ma. You can do it. How about this same thing here? Because that approach, please learn. That's what the intention of this method. Okay.
So the last one you get 2 integral 1 by 2 t square plus 12 dt.
Okay. That's fine. You have already idea this method, you know. So please work out. What is the next method, students? Last method. We'll discuss that and then we'll end the session. Method number
1 by
method number 4. By
1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. And there are more also, sir. Or integral 1 by a square cos square x plus b square dx. Or integral 1 by a square plus b square sin square x dx.
Yes. How about this method and idea, students, whenever you see
so
the question?
divided by cos
Divide
square
by cos square x
and take
Correct.
tan x as t.
and
Make
Yeah.
tan as secant square x.
Tan x as t, and you will get d square secant square x dx is dt. Correct, ma?
yes, sir.
Correct, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I think even in yesterday, I doubt in one question also we applied this method.
yes,
4 cos square x plus 9 sin square x. And even I gave one formula also to you to remember this.
1 by AB
1 by
tan
A.
Tan inverse.
Tan inverse of B tan X by A
Yes.
plus C.
plus C.
1 by AB tan inverse of B
B tan X by
next
E
by
plus C.
plus C.
Plus C.
Very good. Very good. Very good. This is direct answer. And previously, like, the method I gave here. Right, students? All of you have idea about this, right?
Yes, sir.
So please even do indefinite integral from the beginning to method number 4. And we did 7. So totally 5 methods we have covered. Right, students?
Yes,
The
sir.
class notes there is there with you. My sincere request to you is to just revise the class notes. Revise the class notes. 100% that is enough. Right?
Yes.
That many models we have done. And again, today I'm sharing one tough assignment. Let us see how many of you can. Okay, by evening you post your doubts today. So that common doubts I'll discuss in class. It will be not like time waste to other students. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, that evening session from today only it starts.
I'll see my today's timetable and accordingly I'll update. If we miss means from tomorrow surely we are called.
Okay.
Only see the intention of that is work. Whether we are doing that day's work that day during online session, no, that is the biggest drawback we are finding. Suppose if you are coming to the campus, I may check your class notes with 1 or 2 students. If I seriously question, remaining all will be alert. Next day they'll complete it. Right? That I used to do it also, and something work is happening. But now that much forcefully we are not able to check. So you need to maintain your own discipline over here in doing work and interacting. Immediately you need to interact about work also. How important to do your work. Equal importance is there to clarify your doubts also. But some of you are not at all discussing, not at all opening mouth in the class. That is really worrying. So that very few may get success, remaining no use after attending classes also. That problem we need to overcome. To that only I'm trying with different ideas. I'll see and which is best, we'll follow that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.
Please revise
Thank you, sir.
until method number 5.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.